Hi there, welcome to Gray's Outdoors. It's a beautiful Sunday evening, just past 8 o'clock. Must still be 26 degrees here in London at Celsius, and we've had some beautiful sunsets over these past evenings, so I thought I better get out onto the river and see if I can film one. The sun is just going down now and there's only a few people left on the water, so I think let's head downstream and see what we can see. So here's a guy coming down on one of these hydrofoil things, so I'll see if I can get a shot for you. Hope that came out, it's getting a little bit dark, but anyway, time to follow the sun. Heading downstream towards Tinten Lock now, and you might hear some water. It's just from the weir, but I think you've got to see the view more than me. Just pulled up to Tinten Lock, and there's kind of a wheel path for rowing boats and canoes, so we're going to give it a go and see how we can get down there. Gotta hurry up, there's someone behind me. Well, I've not done that before, and it was surprisingly easy. I must do that again. Anyway, let's carry on and chase that sunset. Absolutely stunning. As you can see behind me, there's the Anglers Pub. Just behind that motor launch there, we've got Tinten Lock over here, and beautiful sunset in front of us on the water. What an absolutely marvelous trip. As you can see, the sun has set behind me, although the sky is still very bright and still very light, and the moon is up and so is the RNLI flag. But I'm going to turn around and make my way back now. For now, it's Grays Outdoors signing off, and all the best everyone. Give us the thumbs up if you liked it, and if it's your kind of thing, do subscribe. Otherwise, I wish you all the best, God bless, and have a great week.